On Tuesday, USCIS announced new actions aimed at speeding up processing times and set a deadline for when they expect to end the case backlog. These actions include establishing new internal processing time goals, expanding premium processing, and providing temporary relief to immigrants affected by work authorization delays. Keep watching because we are going to take a closer look at what actions USCIS has announced, when you can expect them to take effect, and the deadline the agency has set to end the current case backlog. And if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for regular immigration news updates. One of the ways USCIS is working to improve processing times and reduce the case backlog is by expanding premium processing. This gives applicants the option to pay an additional fee, usually between $1,500 to $2,000, to expedite their application. Currently, premium processing is only available for certain I-129 non-immigrant worker petitions and I-140 employment-based green card applications. This announcement by USCIS expands eligibility for premium processing to include additional I-140 employment-based green card applications, Form I-765 work permits, and Form I-539 temporary immigration status extension requests. Note that implementation of premium processing will occur slowly and in a phased approach, starting in June of 2022, with employment-based green card applications for EB-1 multinational executives and EB-2 immigrants seeking a national interest waiver. USCIS will then continue to expand premium processing eligibility over the next 3 years, eventually making it available for work permits in 2025. The second action USCIS announced is a plan to increase the automatic extension period for work permit renewals. Currently, work permits are automatically extended for 180 days once a person applies for a renewal in certain categories, allowing them to continue working while the application is being processed. But due to current delays, that is not enough time, causing many immigrants to quit working or even lose their jobs as a result of their work permit being expired. USCIS is working towards finalizing a new rule that would increase this automatic extension period and provide relief for the many immigrants stuck in limbo as they wait for permission to work. The third action USCIS announced is the establishment of new cycle time goals. Cycle time is used internally to track the agency's caseload and is similar to the publicly posted median processing times. Their goal is to process applications for temporary work programs, such as H-1B and H-2A visas, within 2 months. Applications for work permits, travel documents, and temporary status changes will be reviewed within 3 months. And all other applications, such as those for citizenship, DACA renewals, and family-sponsored green cards, will be reviewed within 6 months. I will put the specific cycle time goals for each form on the screen for you to review. These new goals signal a return to baseline processing times and an end to the case backlog, which USCIS plans to achieve by September 30th, 2023. To meet this goal, they are hiring thousands of caseworkers and implementing new processing technology. As they make these changes, they will use internal cycle times to track their progress in reducing the backlog of cases and speeding up processing times. Boundless Immigration CEO Xiao Wang said of the announcement, "I am encouraged by the increased levels of transparency and accountability from USCIS. What will truly move the needle is the speed by which USCIS is able to fill its 3,000 and plus open positions and adopt new technologies." If you want to hear about the additional technologies and internal changes USCIS is making to help speed up case processing, I will include a link to my other video here. I will also continue to bring you additional immigration news as it becomes available, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so yet. Click here to watch this video next, and I will see you there.